Experience isn't measured in kilometers walked, but in the amount of data you extract from every single mile. Most hikers reach the trailhead, throw their gear in the trunk, and consider the trip finished. This is an amateur mistake that wastes 50% of the expedition's value. We need to treat outdoor activity as a systems engineering problem. The goal is to build a known parameters database specific to your physiology, not marketing averages. First, we must eliminate survivorship bias. Just because you didn't get hypothermia doesn't mean your layering system was correct. It might just mean you were lucky with the weather. A successful outcome with a flawed process is a near miss, not a victory. To fix this, we need hard numbers, starting with the pre- and post-weigh-in. Weigh your pack before you leave and immediately when you return. The difference, minus known trash weight, reveals your actual metabolic consumption rates for that specific temperature and exertion level. This allows you to calculate your specific consumption coefficient. Marketing claims about hydration are irrelevant. This formula gives you your biological reality. Next, apply the Gear Elimination Method. If a piece of equipment goes unused for 3 trips with varying conditions, it is statistically dead weight. Remove it. Apply this rigor to thermal physics. Did your sleeping pad's R value actually resist conductive heat loss, or did you survive because you slept in your down jacket? Record the lowest comfort temperature, not the survival rating. Over time, you build a dataset of your cruising speed, water intake per degree of inclination, and caloric burn. This turns an unpredictable adventure into a solvable equation. The difference between an enthusiast and a professional is that the professional never makes the same mistake twice. Process your data, or stop calling it experience. Stop guessing. Start measuring. Build your database.